Welcome back. This is the next part, part
headboard.
5.
Now,
David has completed the headboard, and this is what it looks like on this side. Now I picked that color wood. I had a choice of 3 different color woods when I picked it on Amazon, and I thought this might be a color that would go well with our wall boards and that my kids would like. Do you like the color, Doris?
so socks goes that way. So G.
David, do you like the color?
Yeah.
Yeah.
F.
Okay, now he's getting back to the building. As the adventure continues on,
G and
the
F.
assemble.
Screws are U.
That's F there, and he's gonna be attaching it to that right there.
Okay, that's fair parts. Okay.
Right there.
So
He's gonna attach that to that
U.
on both sides. So when he does one side,
Okay,
I'll show
U,
one
V,
side.
and S. All right. U. V, and S. Okay, so. I'm gonna need 4 of each. Okay. That's 4 U's. Two, 3, 4, S. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now, lock washer, regular washer, lock washer, regular washer, lock washer, regular washer, lock, regular. Okay. This is gonna be the part's gonna be just we're covering the distance, man. Whoops. Why did I just check that? I mean, this can only go on really one way. Let's go there right here. Let's move down over here behind me. That way. Whoa. Stay together. Alright. This should all boil down to just covering distance here. That's literally it.
Do you want Doris to hold the other end? Because I'm filming.
I just need to.
Well, I'll go it for you.
I just need to get it partially threaded.
He's fingering it in there. Let me get it nice.
There we
and
go.
tight.
Had to. If you're all of a sudden your screw starts to have trouble, that means your work surface is resting on the threads and it's pushing it crooked. If anybody's wondering.
So you're getting that nice and tight.
Yeah, because this, I gotta get a certain.
That's got to be tight in order to support the
It needs to be
bed.
a certain kind of tightness. I don't want it finished tight, but I don't want it too loose either.
Mm-hmm.
So I put the cross beams in, and basically it has to be just loose enough to put the other end on, and then tighten it up the rest of the way. Basically, at the same time, not so loose it's just flopping all over that place.
Okay, now he's going to do the same on the other side, and I'll catch up on the next part.
Why? I mean,
Thanks for watching.
just covering
Bye.
this.